Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a very easy remedy for puffy under eyes, bags and also dark circles. My name is Immy. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and like my video. So I used to love using this sort of under eye patch, and these come in boxes. You can put them in your under eyes and they're pretty effective, I would say, but they can cost a lot of money. And the other thing is they have so many preservatives and chemicals that we are going to be putting on our skin every single day. So I have figured out a natural way to do this because I love to put these on in the morning. They give me a cooling effect. I wanted to get this shape, but I couldn't with the cotton pads. So it's very easy. You need some cotton rounds, and I'm actually just cutting them in half, and I find them to really fit under my eyes very easily. So I'm going to be just cutting a whole bunch, putting them in a box. And we need cucumbers. Cucumbers are high in vitamin C and folic acid, and they have a high water content, which is actually going to be very hydrating for our under eyes and also cooling when we put them in the fridge. So I'm blending that up and adding about a teaspoon of glycerin to this mixture as well. And that is going to make a very nice liquidy mixture for our cotton pads. So I just mix all the juice, the glycerin, and I soak my cotton rounds in this mixture. And then all you have to do is pop it in the fridge. They are very easy to use. Put them on your under eyes and see how fast your eyes are hydrated. And they are actually very nice to use, and they don't slip and slide as well. So if you try this, let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Bye guys.